Mechatronics engineers cover topics that are related to mechanical, electronics, and also software development. So they cover programming, and they also cover a bit of mechanical and electrical parts. Mechanical engineers cover pure mechanical components. For example, materials, thermodynamics. What else will you cover? Hardware, the CAD design and drawing, so that was covered more by mechanical. Pure electrical, mainly circuits, right? You do circuit design, you do maybe PCB design. That's pure electrical. Electrical electronics is somewhat a combination of E&E, which covers also on software development. Yeah, mechatronics will cover both the, sort of like, they used to call mechatronics a jack of all trades course. Yeah, because you can do everything. And basically you're able to integrate a lot of things. But nowadays, most of the education institutions, primarily if you look for E&E or mechatronics engineer, you should be fine. Software engineering covers pure software. There's no hardware related. So in terms of PLC and all that, they won't touch that. Yeah. So some universities have mechatronics and they have a major in robotics engineering. Or some have major in artificial intelligence. So there is a blend.